Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Were present today and also request all the participants to come on the 23rd December. Our program will start morning 10 till 4 o'clock. In the evening will be carried out by the other cultural program.
या वर्सा एक्चुअली आम्ही ते चिंतलेले की एक वर्स पोस्टपोन करचे ते ह्या वर्स करचे न्हू एंड द रीजन it was predicted that code of conduct could come anytime after 20th. So we decided like we'll have it next year, but all our members of this Parra Citizens Association came and we had a meeting over here and they said that let's have this in a smaller way at least, and thinking that this code will not come in the next 2 days, we are going to have this presentation of stars and carol singing competition. Now carol singing, likewise our member said, Palkar said that we'll limit it to Kalangut and Sholim. I would say that let us keep carol singing how we have every year for entire Goa. So let carol singing to bring in the festive season, to bring in the festival of stars, to bring in the Christmas. Let it be for open for all over Goa. आणि आख्खे गोंयचे जितके यूथ आसूं एल्डर्स आसूं जी कॅरल सिंगिंगान वेगवेगळ्या जाग्यांचेर वयतात तेणी आमच्या फेस्टिवल ऑफ स्टार्सान पार्रा येवन भाग घेवचे. एवरी पार्टिसिपंट ग्रुप will get some small little token of love, token of appreciation for transportation. Supposing somebody comes from Margaon, Nuve, Betalbati, कोण तरी कोलवासून येता, तेंका ट्रान्सपोर्टाक जे पयशे लागता ते आमी तेंका दितले. स्मॉल टोकन ऑफ लव एंड एप्रिसिएशन. Plus there are attractive prizes, memento with a certificate. अशें आमी सगळे थारायला दिवपाक. आनी ह्या फावटी फेस्टिवल ऑफ स्टार्स will be limited to Kalangut constituency and Sholim constituency. In a smaller way, let us not break the chain. Like keep a gap of 1 year. Let us do it in a smaller way. Was the decision of all the members of Parra Citizens Association, and we have agreed to that, thinking that the code will come beyond 23rd. Because of code we had said that this year will not have this event, but now it is decided to have in a smaller way. Festival of Stars, again I am repeating, will be limited to Kalangut constituency and Sholim constituency, and the other carol singing presentation with competition will be for all over Goa. And our participants of carol singing to send us the required entries latest by 23rd morning, so that we can we will know well in advance how many groups are going to come. And we will start it sharp at 7 o'clock, and this whole thing will wind up by 12:31. I once again thank all the members of this association for having it this year in a smaller way.
आणि एंट्री कोणाकूच ना, एंट्री फ्री. तेन्ना सगळ्यांनी ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनाक येवपाचे. प्रायजीस हांव तुमच्या खातीर एकदां तुमकां सगळं पॅम्पलेट मेळटलें तर डिक्लेअर करता. ओके. सो कॅरल सिंगिंगाक सेपरेट प्रायज आहा आनी स्टार कॉम्पिटिशनाक सेपरेट प्रायज आहा. So, on behalf of Parra Citizen Forum, तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव इन्वायट करता, सगळ्या लोकांनी येवचे, पार्टिसिपंट जावचे आणि ह्या आमच्या कार्यक्रमान जे आमी फंक्शन करता पर्रा, स्पेशली दिस टायम वी हॅव इन्क्लुडेड शिवलिंग कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सगळ्यांनी हांगा येवचे आणि पार्टिसिपंट जावचे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.